Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland gardening. You know, it's springtime, and I've wanted to get an early start. I guess it's been such a cold, long winter, and I know I'm rolling the dice a little bit with the weather because it's still the end of April. But we've got a little vegetable garden started up here. Let me show you what we got going. So that's some cool tulips right there that still have a little bit of bloom that we started actually put the bulbs in last fall. But here's one of them. Yeah, cucumber. And we have another cucumber plant. Actually, we had some cold burn over the weekend. Temperatures got down to 48. And that was enough to put a little bit of hurting on the tender leaves of some of the plants. The tomatoes have held up well. Here, let me show you what variety they are. What's that? Better Boy Plus, and this one, the cucumber. Oh, well, here, it's hard for me to see. Maybe you can see it there. It's hard for me to film and read it at the same time. Yeah, but we got those at Home Depot. They've been having a sale, $2 a piece for nice plants. And then we have some green peppers and some banana peppers. These are supposed to be extra hot right here, so that'll be interesting. And I think this is one more variety of green pepper. So that's what we got going here. You know, the garden's just getting started. I'm still working on developing it. We have a little bit of theme going though here. These are daylilies. These should look really cool here in about a month. They should make some nice yellow blossoms. Still trying to grow some sod in here. We're doing a cool season, warm season mix of Bermuda grass, common Bermuda grass, and yeah, we got some iron cutter Bermuda grass, some sprigs in there, and plus some tall fescue and perennial rye. And over here, well, last year, right there's the bird cedars. Oh, look at that cool pigeon right there, that morning pigeon. Yeah, and yeah, we got some sorghum growing here last year, and hopefully we'll get some more because that's natural bird feed. And so that's what we going on right here on this part of Sinepuxent Acres. Yeah, that's I guess what we're going to call it, Sinepuxent Acres, because we're on Sinepuxent Avenue. We're uptown. All right, thanks for joining us. And yeah, this has been fun. I hope you enjoy this. I'd like to continue to do this again because gardening and working with Mother Nature is in my genes, and it's like therapy for me. All right, take care, everybody. Talk to you later. Have a great day.